Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to change your profile picture on Discord. So what you need to do is open your Discord and then you need to click you can click here on your name, you can click edit profile, and now you can click either change avatar here or on your avatar. When you have done that, you can either choose an image or a GIF. GIFs are for Nitro and images are free. When you click an image, you can choose it, whichever image you want, let's say this one, and now as you can see, you can either zoom or zoom out, you can move it, and everything inside of this circle is going to be your avatar. Now I'm not going to do that because I do not want to change my picture. Anyways guys, it's that simple. If this video helped you, leave a like, and if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.